Hey everyone, let's check out the Hohem iSteadyXEKIT smartphone gimbal. Weighing just 259 grams, this ultra-compact stabilizer easily folds to fit right in your pocket. The advanced 3-axis anti-shake design keeps your video smooth and balanced during any movement. You can quickly switch between landscape and portrait modes with just one tap of a button. The handy magnetic fill light features multiple colors and brightness levels to highlight your subject anywhere. Simple controls make it super easy for beginners to start creating professional videos right away. Grab yours and elevate your content creation game today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.